Hey, it's Jack from Adva Mobile with another lesson about how to make the most of the Adva platform. We've enhanced our autoresponder capabilities with some cool new features. This video shows you how to take advantage of the autoresponder feature. We've already posted a video about autoresponders, but here's a quick refresh. When a fan texts into your number, there are a number of things that happen in the background. The fan's phone number is added to your database if they are not already an opted-in fan. We capture what they texted in case you want to respond personally. Now I'm going to show you that later in this video. Oh, and we also send a text back to the fan. Some of these messages are automated and some can be customized. Here's how you do that. Now we have a brand new section on the left side called Autoresponder. So let's head over there right now. When a fan texts you for the first time, they actually get two texts. The first tells them they're opted in, how to stop getting texts from you, and how to get help. This message is required by the carriers for text marketing, so it goes out automatically. The second text welcomes them to your text club and has a link to your web app so they can engage you. Now, if you haven't yet done so, text into your own text number to see how all this looks. Now, you can change this second message if you want and make it more personal. Click on Send a Custom Message, and the page changes so you can enter your personal message. Now we'll still add the link to your web app, but notice also that we give you the option to send out no message. We don't recommend this. The fans will expect something, but the option is there if you want it. Then now that the fan is opted in, they may still text you, so the same options apply for subsequent texts. Because we think the fans expect some response, we send them a text response every time they text you. The default is a text with their link to your web app, or just like the first message, you can make a custom personal response here also. And it could be a different message than the text they get from you when they first texted to opt in. We also give you an option to not respond. But here, you might want to do that if you want to get into a conversational text with your fans. Some artists use the Adva platform to send text blasts to fans, and some artists just enjoy the one-to-one text conversations with their fans. Hell, you might do both, making a custom message saying you'll reach out when you can, and then continuing the dialogue with conversation text. I'll show you how to engage in conversational text after we go over keyword autoresponder. Setting these autoresponders up covers you for whatever the fan texts you, and they can text anything. And what's new is that now you can set up a response for when a fan texts something specific that you tell them to text. And that's called a keyword. And there's a tab in the autoresponder page called Keywords. Any keywords you have already set up will be displayed on this page. But we're interested in the tab Add Custom Keyword on this page. You set up the keyword you want your fans to text, and the message they'll get when they text that keyword to your text number. So if you have a show coming up, let's say Houston, Texas, you can set up the keyword Houston and a message and link about where to get tickets to your Houston show. I mean, how cool is that? There are 3 other things you can do on this page. You can direct fans to a specific landing page on your web app, like your events page in my Houston example. That works the same way you set up your text blasts. The other thing you could do is set a date to this autoresponder to stop. And you could turn the keyword on and off. Okay, that's what we have for autoresponder and automatically communicating with your fans. What if you want to communicate with your fans personally? Well, you can do that also and have conversational text with your fans. Well, head over to the fans navigation and click on your fans, and you'll see an indication that a fan has sent you a text. This screen below. Now, click on the view icon to get to the fan detail page and open the message window, and all the text from that fan will show up, and there's a text box where you can answer that text. That text will only go to that fan. The text tool that are part of the Adva mobile platform have a lot of flexibility, and you can be creative with how you engage your fans with text. Reach out if you have any more questions, and until then, it's Jack signing off.